As well. Are you nominated for anything?
Yeah, best producer.
Just out here, we got a light, we got mic, we done moved up in the game, you know what I mean? It's been a good year for Ganja Beats. Most of the biggest art, in fact, most of the biggest songs have come out from you guys. It's only one camp, but most of them have come out from you guys.
Yeah.
What are we expecting for next year? I mean, I know you guys are cooking something with somebody. Give us a
scoop.
Yo,
we've got a lot.
Who are you mixing? Arranging
okay, we're doing something with Tumi, but that's a secret project, so we'll see what's happening with that.
I know about that project, man. I know you've been looking for it. I know he called up Ricky and Ricky called you guys. I know the story. Come on.
Slicker just comes with the controversy the whole time. Got a song with Slicker, it's coming out soon.
Y'all don't erase my lyric, my vocals.
Don't lie.
I just did a song with Ricky today, by the way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
But I went into the wrong studio and they played a song and they said, let me rap. So I'm gonna come to your place now.
Yeah.
Go to Melbourne. I'm just going to every producer's house. I'm like, yo, what you playing? I'm pulling out my iPhone, just reading what works, and I'm featuring.
It's the OG.
It's the OG.
It's the OG.
Ganja Beats. Good luck for 2016, 15. I'm just saying
and
both
16.
years and 16. I hope the publishing checks look better.
Yeah, man.
I hope the publishing checks look better.
Thank you.
In 2015 and 16.
Thank you.
Nice one. Peace.
See you later.
Easy.
Love you.